Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hamster Kombat. Hamster Kombat is a platform within Telegram where you can earn coins by tapping on hamster. To use this Hamster Kombat, you need to first open your Telegram application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Telegram. After this, here you can see a small search icon present on the top right corner. Now you'll get different kind of Hamster Kombat option. Now tap on Hamster Kombat that has blue tick on it. After this, you'll be taken to Hamster Kombat. Now here, generally you'll be able to find a start option when you first use Hamster Kombat. Tap on start, then you'll be able to see this interference over here. After this, tap on play option present on the bottom left corner. With this, now here your Hamster Kombat will be started. You'll be able to find a hamster present within a circle. Now you need to tap on the hamster. The more you tap on the hamster, the more amount of coins you'll be able to collect. After you do so, you can tap on mine option present on the bottom. With this, here you'll be able to see different kind of mine. Now here you can mine the coin. When you tap on markets option, you'll be asked to join the Telegram channel of Hamster Kombat. You need to tap on unlock option. With this, you'll be able to gain extra coins. After you do so, now you can tap on earn option present on the down. Then here you can see you can earn coins through different channels. Here you can see daily reward. You can tap on daily reward option and then tap on claim. With this, you'll be able to claim your daily amount of coins. Similarly, here you can see different kind of options through which you can earn coin. Like here you can join the Telegram channel by tapping on the given option. After this, tap on join. Then tap on join again. With this, you'll be able to join Telegram channel of Hamster Kombat and then you'll also earn some amount of coin. After this, you can see different kind of options that you can do to earn coin. Like here you can follow X account of Hamster Kombat. Similarly, here you can see you can choose your exchange to earn coin or you can invite your 3 friends to earn coin. Tap on any option that you can complete. Then follow 3 instructions that are given. With this, you'll be able to earn coin on Hamster Kombat. This is how we can use Hamster Kombat. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.